Hi.
I'm trying to make you cute. Hi, you're back.
I'm back. I'm back for now.
Oh, my thing's on. Hi. I'm just eating fried rice. Sophia, you're not gonna like any. Stop smelling it. I'm sorry the lighting is horrible. Oh, I just got this today. I just got that today. I can't. I finally feel so much better. It's like a super ashy blonde. Even light brown, I think. What did I wear today? This is a piece of fabric. This is cropped knit sweater, thrifted belt, really basic oxblood burgundy skater skirt, and can you see? Fox socks, which you can't see, and I wore my red Toms. Not Toms, they're booties, but they're Toms. I'm just gonna eat and go to bed because I'm super tired. I thought I was gonna do something fun, but I'm too tired. My hair came out super cute and I can't stand it. Oh my god, you guys actually have no idea how happy I am that my hair is done.
I still haven't really decided what I want it to say here. I also realized that this should be a little bit higher. I got this from Michael's the other day and I used a coupon, obviously. And I just want to say that it comes in like a package of the letters and they're really shittily made. Like, the peg part here where it's attached to the frame, I guess. Like they come in like a big package of all the letters. You have to actually go in with an X-Acto knife on every single letter that here you can kind of see it, like right here. You have to go in with an X-Acto knife on every single letter that you put in, otherwise you're gonna have like stupid ugly little extra like excess plastic here. And like for the price point, I don't like that. It's very expensive for what it is. I was not impressed in the extra work that was required, but whatever. Also do this or whatever.
Hello guys, it is Friday. I'm in the middle of filming my lookbook. It's really kind of a lazy lookbook because they're all outfits that they're not new outfits really, so sorry about that. But the reason why I don't really like filming lookbooks that much is just because it's like incredibly gross feeling. This is baby's breath. I'm like out of breath. There's clothes everywhere. It's warm. I have my fan on. I don't care. It's too hot. I finished 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 more outfits left, and then after that I'm done. I'm washing my face, and then I'm ending my vlog probably, and then I'm gonna start filming something else. Isn't that pretty? She does love me. She just also hates me sometimes. Yeah, see? What do I have here? I guess for more clarification, I have my outfits planned here. I already filmed this one, and this one. This one also, and then I have these two, these two left to do, and then I will be done. So this one is kind of like a no pants lookbook, just because I have not worn pants in over half a decade, I think. Something like that. I haven't worn pants in over half a decade, which is kind of crazy, but it's like not hard for me anymore because I've kind of figured out what outfits I like. I mean, most of the time I just wear leggings and tights. But I tried to do other things like color matching your socks or your leg warmers. These are textured tights. These are also colored textured tights. Long socks. Wearing long dresses also works too. This is actually one of my favorite outfits. But I don't wear it that often because this dress can be a little bit much. And then this one, this dress I just got is new. So, oh yeah. I think I'm done my lookbook. I haven't really decided what I want to do for like the transitional slates between each look, because I kind of, oh that's flattering, I kind of wanted to have something as like a transition slate to be an indicator to what the next look is going to be, but I haven't really decided what I'm going to do for that yet. I might actually just end up using clips from my vlogs, because I've done a lot. I just went outside, by the way. I haven't done a lookbook since like the summertime, I think, and the only reason why I haven't was because I really didn't like my hair. I felt like it didn't flatter me, and I felt boring and basic, and that's the end of that. So my hair is finally to a color that I feel like suits me a lot better, and it also brings out my eyes a lot more. And like there's nothing wrong with having black hair, it's just that it didn't really suit me, even though it is my natural hair color. But you know, natural isn't always the best thing. I don't know. It just wasn't my favorite. I'm about to sneeze. Hey, you! So, yeah, I don't really know. I had plans for tomorrow and that didn't happen, so I'm gonna sneeze again. You! There might be like a really long break in between when this vlog is gonna happen. I might actually just tack all of it together depending on what I do. I am gonna be spending a lot of time with my family and just going to parties, but with my family, so I don't really want to be filming anything. And I'm crying because I just sneezed twice in a row. I had no surgery. Did I ever even talk about that? Maybe I'll talk about it later if I don't want to keep rambling. Anyways, I had a nose thing done, and ever since then I noticed that whenever I sneeze I cry, like a lot, so I'm crying right now. I'll probably finish vlogging maybe December 31st, we'll see. I don't really know what's happening. I literally don't know what's happening. I know I have a couple things planned, but I'm rambling. I'll stop. Oh, jeez. Okay, bye for now.
hard to save this plant. It was pretty overwatered, I think, and it was just growing because it was lacking sunlight. I put a couple of these skinny sticks around it to kind of help brace it, and like before it couldn't even stand up on its own, and now it's standing up on its own, so I think I did okay. And I've just been giving it as much sunlight as possible, which is hard because it's winter, but it looks a lot better. It was pretty bad a while ago, but I think it's okay now. All my other plants are doing pretty okay though. This aloe plant is still getting a little bit crazy. Oh, I forgot to throw this out. It's getting a little bit cray, but that's okay. Is that all you're gonna do? They wanted me to acknowledge them, and then this is all. This is Eric. They're being cured. Okay. You're not in it. What are you doing? Do you want to be in it? Yay! Okay, that's cute. I'll put that in.